Hi, I'm Abubakar Siddiq Ango, developer evangelist at GitLab. In this video, we'll be doing a quick walkthrough of GitLab. Now, if you are new to GitLab completely, you can go to gitlab.com to bring you to the GitLab website. Then you can sign up for a free trial account. Or if you have an account already, you can simply go to sign in. Now, then here I'll be signing in to my account. And remember me, sign in, it's my system. Then here, it's asking me to authenticate. I use a UB key. Voila. I mean, for my account, I have a preference of going straight to my to-dos. I want to see my to-dos, but yours might be a list of projects that you work on or that you are a member of. Now, in the left panel, you can see your issues that you are part of, or your merge request, or your to-dos. You can click on them from here. Then you have the search or go-to widget here where you can navigate through your GitLab account, set your preferences, go to your profile, or search for any information about your projects here. Then you have your groups, issues, merge requests, and a host of other features that you can access from here. Now, you can create a new project by going to clicking on the new project icon here. Then you can choose between whether a blank project or from a template, or to import a project if you have a project somewhere else, or you have your project somewhere else, but you want to just use GitLab CI/CD. So I'll be creating a blank project and I'll be putting it in my namespace. If you're a member of different groups, you can put projects in a particular group. But for me, I'll just be putting it under my own user. And I'll be specifying a project name. Okay, let me give it GitLab Innovation Pitch. Now, then I don't need to select this. This is the project deployment target. If you want to set up deployment, where do you want to deploy to? But for now, no deployment is planned. Then I set it to public. If you want, you can set it to private if you don't want anyone to have access to it. Then you also have the option of initializing a README so that your project has a file that contains information about the project right from the get-go. It's automatically created for you instead of you having to create it yourself. Then you can, if you are pushing code to your project, you can enable security testing so that it will be able to check for any vulnerability that might have been pushed into your project. Then I'll click on Create Project. Then our project is created with a sample README file. And you have on the right here more options for adding different things to your project, maybe a license file or a change log or any other information, even a wiki if you choose to. Now, on the left side, you have options, menu items to manage your project, to view the activity of the project, members in the project, or labels specific to the project. Then you have other things like planning, code, the options for the code in your application, like merge requests, your repository, your branches, how you want to build it, your CI pipelines, your jobs, security options, deployment options, general deployment environment options, monitoring, analyzing your project for different things, analytics of your project, and also the settings of your project. Now, if you want to edit your files here, you can always use the GitLab Web IDE. Now, once I click here, it authenticates and it shows me. I like using dark mode, and my font size are usually small. So let me go to settings and change the font size. It's 12. I can change it to 14. And you see here on the left, you see that our README file is here. So you can edit your files, you can create new files, and so on. So let's say I want to remove all of this and add my own content. Okay, this is supposed to be GitLab, not GitLab. Here I say this is my submission to the GitLab innovation pitch competition. Now, once I am done, I can submit my project, push to either the main branch or whatever branch that you are using. Let me specify here, update readme, and I'll commit. Yes, it's asking me if I want to commit to the default branch. Yes, continue. Now, and from here, I can go to the project, and you see here that my project has been updated. Oh, I noticed my GitLab name and this thing is incorrect. I can always go to settings, general. You have options to rename or update your project. This, for example, you can change the path. That's the path on the GitLab instance where it's accessible. Change path, this will change the path of your project. And also I can come here to change the name. So if you've linked your project in other places before, they will still work because GitLab will redirect old links to new ones, but just make sure you are aware of the changes you are making if you are making them. So that's the quick overview of using GitLab and how you can get familiarized with GitLab. You can always explore the GitLab documentation to learn more about different features in GitLab. And you can also use GitLab Duo Chat. You can also use GitLab Duo Chat, which is inside the web IDE. When you click on the Duo Chat icon here, you can ask questions. Awesome. Looking forward to the awesome ideas you'll be pitching. Bye.